Hello, Mommy T and Faye family. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great in this season of celebration. Guys, in this recipe, we are going to be making roasted chicken oven. These are my ingredients, and I have my chicken and 1 tomatoes and lime. I have my sliced onions, is already washed and sliced. I have my butternut pepper and little crayfish. I'm going to be blending the butternut pepper and the onions and crayfish together. And I have my spices. Those are my spices. I'll be leaving the name of the spices in my description box. You can go and check it out. So guys, I also have my ample vinegar. I'll be adding it to it as well. So I have my extra virgin oil. Guys, those are the ingredients I will be needing to make this roasted chicken oven. Let's dive into the cooking. So now I am going to be blending my onions and butternut pepper and crayfish together. The reason why I'm adding crayfish is because I love the aroma of the crayfish. That is why I'm adding it to it. So I'm just going to add little water to it, and then I will blend. I have to check it a little bit because I just added little water to it. So guys, I'm going to be pouring this pepper and the crayfish I blend inside this bowl. So I'm going to be using this bowl to marinate everything together. So this is my spices. So I'm going to be pouring the spices inside the pepper, and I blend. Then I will mix everything together. So I'm going to pour it inside. And then I will stir everything together. I'm going to stir it very well and make sure everything is marinated together. Continue to stir it. Now I'm going to be adding my ample vinegar. I'm just going to be adding little of the ample vinegar. This is my ample vinegar, guys. Just add little to it. Then I will add my extra virgin oil. And I'll stir it together as well. Just keep it aside. So I'm going to be cleaning this place because it's messed up. So now it's time to squeeze my lime. I'm going to be adding lime to it as well. The reason why I'm adding lime to this chicken is just to kill the fat. If there is any fat in the chicken, the lime will just melt it away. That is the reason why I'm using lime to it. So now I'm going to be pouring the lime I squeeze the water inside this sauce. Then I will stir it together again. And I'll continue to stir and make sure it's marinate together. Then I will keep it aside. Now it's time to place my chicken here. Then I'm going to use the sauce to marinate the chicken. Wow guys, this chicken is going to be delicious. I can sense the aroma already. If you need any part of this chicken, the leg, the wings, just send me your address, then I will just post your portion to you. Okay guys, okay, I'll keep on adding it to it. Now I'm going to flip it, then I will marinate the other side. Just marinate it very well. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So this is the pan I'm going to be using. I'm going to place my foil paper and I'll place my chicken. I'm going to be adding the sauce. Wow. Wow. Okay, now I'm going to be placing the chicken inside the oven. Wow. I'm going to be setting it for 200 degrees. Wow, you can see the roasted chicken is ready. It's ready. We are almost done. So now I'm going to be adding my sliced onions. I love sliced onions, guys. I love fresh onions. I love it. I love it. And my fresh tomatoes. Wow, I did roast it together because I just want to eat it raw. Wow guys, this is so yummy, yummy, yummy. Let me know what you think about this roasted oven chicken. on the comment section. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Thank you for always being around to watch my video. God bless you. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Mommy T and Fee and family. Share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe, join the family, and let's do it together. And when you subscribe, don't also forget to on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Guys, I love you all, but God Almighty love you most. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Stay healthy. God bless you. See you on my next video. Bye.